Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel English Day with me. This is lesson number 2. In this lesson we will talk about the English alphabet. Consonant, vowel, capital letter, small letter. Are you ready? Yes! Let's go! Now, listen to the English alphabet. Listen to the English alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now you have to listen and repeat. Listen and repeat. Okay? Good. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, now let's check your pronunciation. Okay, so what's this? A. Excellent. What's this? J. Very good. And what's this? G. Very good. What's this? U. Very good. What's this? O. Excellent. Very good. Now it's time to talk about the English alphabet letters, vowel, consonant. So, as you know, in the English alphabet, we have 26 letters. 26 letters. 21 are consonants and 5 are vowels. So, what are the 21 consonants? Let's see. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Great! And what about the 5 vowels? The 5 vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Fantastic! Now let's check. Yes, as you see, the vowels are in red and the consonants are in yellow. Okay, good. So, what's this? S. Is it a consonant or vowel? Consonant. Very good. What's this? K. Yes. Is it a consonant or a vowel? Consonant. Very good. What's this? I. I. Is it a consonant or a vowel? A vowel. Very good. What's this? W. Is it a consonant or a vowel? A consonant, of course. Very good. Yes. Okay. Now let's move to talk about capital letter, small letter. The lesson of capital letters, we will see it in another video, okay? So, capital letter and small letters. We say small letter or lowercase. Small letter or lowercase. We will see how do we write capital letters and small letters. Let's see. So, what do we say? We say capital A, capital A, small a, small a, capital C, capital C, small c, small c, capital O, capital O, small o, small o, capital E, capital E, small e. Great! Now it's time to talk about spelling words. What does it mean, spelling words? What is a word? First, what is a word? A word can be adjective or a noun, verb or an adverb. For example, in example number 1, we have door. Door here is a noun, okay? Door is a noun. Door is a word. Sad is a word. Sad is an adjective, okay? So a word can be verb, adjective, noun, adverb. What does it mean, spell? Spelling or the verb spell? Spell means to name the letters of that word. Name the letters of that word. For example, how do you spell the word door? How do you spell the word door? The answer is D-O-O-R. double O, R, or we can say D-O-O-R. Let's see another example. How do you spell the word sad? How do you spell the word sad? The answer is S-A-D. Great. Now let's have some practice. The question is, how do you spell these words? Teacher, doctor, school, apple. Okay, I will give you some time to think. Yes, let's correct. The answers are number 1, teacher. T E A C H E R. Number 2, doctor. D O C T O R. Number 3, school. S C H double O L. Number 4, apple. A double P L E. Great! Now let's have some fun. Let's move, or let's end up our lesson by a song. The English alphabet song. Are you ready? Yes? Come on. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?